Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update ngayong July 1 to 15, 2024, first half ng July. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mag-book for a private reading. So let's see Aquarius energy update for you. What's up? Solar flares, activate. Mas magiging active kayo ngayong first half ng July. Maaring mas excited kayo, mas energetic kayo ngayong July. You want to try new things, pwedeng mas lalabas kayo ngayon, mas passionate kayo about life. Series nurture, yes. You are also taking care of yourself, taking care of your needs, mga mahal mo sa buhay, ano yung maitutulong mo sa kanila to also take care of them. You have the sun. Wow. The sun is your energy source. So like what I mentioned kanina, itong solar flares, no? Mas magiging energetic, pump up ka ngayon. Very active, no, yung energy mo for first half ng July. Maaring marami kang mga ideas ngayon, you're very creative. So, samantalahin mo tong surge of energy kasi sayang naman kung hindi mo siya gagamitin, no. Kapag nakakaramdam ka na parang, you have a lot of ideas, creative ideas, write it down, no? Isulat mo yung mga creative ideas mo na yan kasi pwede mo yung balikan sa mga susunod na araw. Just in case meron kang makitang source of inspiration para magawa mo yun, di ba? Let's see. I also see an energy of a father figure, no? Tatay, na maaring mas bibigyan mo ng focus attention ngayon, aalagaan. Your overall energy is the Queen of Cups. Wow, you are very much connected to your emotions, Aquarius, no? You are taking care of yourself. You are nurturing yourself. Practicing self-love, self-care ngayong first half ng July. And this is also about creativity. So, mas creative ka ngayong first half ng July. Your challenge is the Empress. So, ito ay specific message sa iba, sa inyo. Kung kayo ay buntis or merong buntis sa family ninyo, medyo mag-ingat, no? Iwasan yung maging careless sa pagkilos, paggalaw-galaw, pag-travel. Mas maging careful, lalo na kung kabuanan na or sa first trimester pa lang. Okay? But of course, hindi na ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Doon lang sa may cases na may pregnant or may pregnant sa family. Some of you, maari ring may challenge kayo sa inyong kalusugan, no? Kaya kailangan din talaga na makapag-focus rin kayo sa sarili ninyo to be more aware, conscious sa nangyayari sa katawan ninyo. Your opportunity, you have the strength card. Yes, you have the strength that you need. Meron kang sapat na lakas. Kaya nga energetic kayo ngayon. Maari ring meron kang relationship or connection with someone. This can be romantic, okay? Kasi pag sinabi natin relationship, kahit anong relationship yan eh. Mother-daughter relationship, mother-father relationship, di ba? Or friends. Meron kang aayusin, no, na relationship with someone na nagka-problema, pwedeng magkakabati na kayo. Your blessing is the Knight of Cups. If you are single, possible na merong new romantic partner na darating. If you are in a relationship, I think you will, parang pareho kayo mag-express ng feelings nyo with your person para mas lalo nyong mapatibay ang inyong connection. Money, career, finances, you have the King of Pentacles. So this is the energy ng Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You have the Hierophant and the Seven of Cups. Okay, sa career, maaring yung iba, overwhelming yung interest nyo ngayon. Parang marami kayong naiisip na gawin, subukan, maraming options available sa inyo sa career, sa trabaho. So, ang importante rito is kung saan ka mas interesado, saan sa tingin mo yung pinaka-efficient in favor sa'yo. Kasi mahirap naman pagsabay-sabayin, di ba? Yung mga gusto nyong gawin sa career, trabaho ninyo, business ninyo. And makakatulong din kung kayo ay magkukonsulta sa isang eksperto. Expanded awareness. Jupiter, wow! Your career is being blessed, Aquarius. Merong expansion dito. Kaya siguro marami kang options ngayon kasi you are expanding, 'di ba? Yung limitations na wala na. Mas marami ka ng opportunities coming in. Lalo't na nakikilala mo yung sarili mo, nakikilala mo yung marami kang natututunan 'di ba? Kapag tayo maraming alam, maraming kakayanan, mas nagiging confident tayo. Kasi alam natin yung ginagawa natin, 'di ba? Let's see your love life. Page of Cups. King of Cups. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay single pa, pero meron ng person sa buhay nyo, like parang hindi pa lang kayo official, pero you are connecting, you have a situation with someone, I think nagpo-progress ito. No? Ngayong first half ng July, you will feel na nagiging seryoso na tong connection na to. I think you are breaking your boundaries, no? Kung dati parang iniiwasan mo tong taong to, tapos ngayon parang mas nagiging open ka na sa person na to. Pwedeng reversal yung roles. Maaring meron kang kakonect na mahiyain or hindi pa ganun ka-expressive sa nararamdaman niya. And ngayon, no, nag-o-open up na tong taong to sa'yo. Nagtatransform. I feel like you are getting to know this person in a deeper level. Mas nagiging malalim yung pagkakakilala mo sa taong to. Mother Earth. Yeah, itong Mother Earth is about grounding, being with nature. So I think mas marami kayong activities ng person na to go out, to be one with nature. Yung mga intimate na activities together na hindi masyadong maraming tao. You are connecting in a spiritual level, no, with this person. Kumbaga, meron kang kinikilala na tao ngayon sa buhay mo, romantically, and you want this person to be closer sa'yo. Na kumbaga, yung iba nagsimula lang sa hi, hello, pinakilala sa'yo, and eventually you are getting to know this person deeply. Okay? So, let's see. Kung ikaw naman ay meron ng relationship, I think may nagbabago sa dynamics ng relationship ninyo, ng connection ninyo. Mas nagiging mature kayo. Mas nagiging maintindihin kayo sa person nyo. Ganun din siya sa inyo. So, mas nagmamature yung relationship. Take control of your own narrative. So, kung ano yung mga bagay na pinaninindigan mo, yung iyong pananaw sa buhay, kumbaga, yun yung isa sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, you will not just talk about it, you will also walk the talk. Yun yung sabi ni Lena. Ano ba yung kasabihan na yun? Oo, na kung ano man yung pananaw mo, paninindigan mo, yun talaga yung nakikita rin sa'yo na ginagawa mo. Okay, so that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Bye.